Draw with Momo. Hi friends, I am Momo. Let's draw a house today. Let's first make a square. Then a triangle for the roof and a chimney. Then to go inside this house, I'll make a door for which I will make a rectangle. Add 2 windows for fresh air and natural light. For this, I will again take 2 rectangles. I will also add a light on top of the door for the night time. Now comes my favorite part, coloring. Let's take yellow color for the wall. Which color should I take for the roof? Red? Okay, let's color the roof red. Brown color for the door. I'll take brown for the windows and blue for the glass. Oh, what color should I take for the light bulb? Let's take orange. See, our house is ready. Yay! Subscribe for more drawings.